So, what can you expect on the next day workshop on December the 16th, our Christmas end of year celebration as well? So, I've picked the Tantric Massage, which can be done fully clothed. You can come as a single or a couple. The Tantric Massage, really, that we'll be offering has to do with slowing down and educating the body through accessing pleasure. It's not about any direct stimulation or arousal. It's more an erotic awakening. And the beautiful thing about Tantric Massage is that there's no expectation on any sexual engagement or any level of sexual connection with someone else. So it is a practice for your relationship with the sexuality inside yourself or the sensuality. So the day workshop will be preceded though by a Tandava dance and movement practice. And this is the cosmic dance or the dance of the divine. It's one of the most ancient tantric yogas, over 8,000 years old. This dance has been described. And this dance is done by yourself and also in relation with the group. And it works with the yin and yang, or the masculine and feminine energies in the body. It's the dance of the cosmos because we're dancing the cosmic principles of creation and destruction. So it's also a great dance to release a little bit of anger at the beginning of the day and then to go into a flow state. And there's specific movements that help us embody and feel the cosmic dance of creation and dissolution, but also the struggles of life and how to deal with them. So I'm very excited for this workshop, this upcoming workshop, and I would love to see you there. It is directly followed by the Tantra Touch Temple, TTT, Tantra Touch Temple, and it's our Christmas celebration. So it's please dress up in a Christmas kind of theme. And yeah, we're going to be working with the 4 different types of touch: remedial, nurturing, sensual, and sexual. And we will also be indulging in the infrared sauna, magnesium hot tub, ice bath, and have yummy little Christmassy snacks together. So hoping to see you there for that amazing day and night program on December the 16th. If you want more information, go to our website, tasteoflove.com.au.